Hey everybody, Jason with Course Motorsports here. Today we're sitting in a 2015 Ford F-250 Super Duty. We're going to be doing an installation of a direct fit phone mount. To do the installation, you're going to need a plastic trim tool and a 7mm socket. The mount's going to go like kind of just to the inside of these vents. It's going to work on either the left or the right. So to do the installation, all we have to do is take our trim tool. We're going to pop these two covers off by just kind of squeezing it in there. It's going to push clips, and this piece will come out and hang. And same thing with up here, like so. You could unplug the connectors and remove them, but you don't really need to. What this is revealing is there is a 7mm screw here and here. So we're going to go ahead and remove those screws. And what you do is you just put your hands in these little cubbies here and just pull it. And then you can go up on the side, like that, and like that. And this whole thing, it's still connected with some wires and everything, but all you need to do is get it loose like that. Next, you're gonna take your phone mount. It's gonna have some sticky tape around this clip hole on the back. It's mostly just to aid in installation, but it also gives it a little bit more of a sturdy feel. So peel the backer off the tape, and then you can either, this is where you would choose left or right or left. If you want, you could either just stick it against this profile, or you can just take it and pop it over the clip, like so. And then you want to fish this thing back in so that you can kind of feel all the clips drop into place, and then push in by the phone mount first. Go all the way around, make sure all your clips are in, like so. So after that, you want to take your two 7mm screws and reinstall them. Then we'll take these two guys here and we'll just pop them back into place. Make sure all your clips set when you do it. Like that. And that's all there is to the phone mount. Next, you're going to take the box containing the head option you chose, open it up. In this case, this is our MagSafe non-charging head. It's going to have an alcohol pad, which you would use to clean off the back of your phone if you didn't have a MagSafe phone or case, so that you can install this adhesive-backed steel ring. You'll have the MagSafe head, an aluminum ball, and an Allen wrench. So first we're going to take the ball and the Allen wrench out of the kit. And you'll hand thread the ball onto the press fit stud that's in the bracket. And then you'll take your wrench, put it in the end of the ball, and just give it a snug. That way it stays nice and tight. And we'll take the MagSafe head out. You're gonna remove the locking collar, drop it over the ball, and push on the head. Trying not to do what I've just done. And you're going to push on the head like so. Tighten down your locking collar. This is where you would move it so that it was aimed as you see fit, and then snug the locking collar down. Lastly, you would This is where you'd clean off your phone or your case to put the steel ring on. This happens to be a MagSafe phone with a MagSafe case. That's all there is to it.